Oops. What was that?
What are they doing?
The first arrow goes this way.
I hope they are not in trouble.
We are here. Let us see where this leads.
The stone is there. The path is there too. Lily, wait. I touched something. We found it. Lift slowly. It may be old. Nora, try to open it. I am trying, Lily.
Lily, wait. Do not break the lock.
Lily, ready? Do not miss this one. That was easy, Nora. Watch this. Nice throw! I am getting better. Maybe a little. Oops. What was that? What is it? Nora, look at those lines. And here are arrows. There is a big X, too.
Lily, I think this is a treasure map. A real treasure map? It really looks like one.
Nora, maybe we should tell Mom and Dad.
Not yet.
Why not? Mom might throw it away. You think so? She may think it is just old paper. But what if it is a real treasure map? Then we should check it first. Let us find out first. Then we will tell them. Are you sure? Yes. Trust me. Okay. We will stay together. All right. So we are really doing this? Yes. Come on. Let us go before anyone sees us. Stay close, Lily. Nora, do you think Mom saw us? No, Lily. Just stay quiet. Nora, this feels like a real adventure. It is, Lily. We just have to follow the map. The first arrow goes this way. Nora, are you sure? The garden looks different. Maybe because the map is old. So, do we go there, Nora? Yes. Slowly. We need to match every mark. Nora, is this the place? I do not think so. But it looks a little like the map. A little, yes. But not enough. The next mark is farther ahead. Then maybe the treasure is there, Nora. Maybe. Come on.
What are they doing? Why are they looking at that paper so seriously? This does not look like normal play. David, look at the girls.
Sara, what are they doing?
I do not know.
Nora is holding some old paper.
They are following something. David, should we go out now?
Sara, wait. Let us watch for a moment.
But what if they are doing something unsafe?
We will stay close. I just want to see what they are trying to find.
They look very serious.
Yes, that is why we should follow them quietly.
David, they cannot see us, right?
No, we will stay back.
I hope they are not in trouble.
We are here. Let us see where this leads.
Nora, are we far from the house now? A little, Lily, but stay close. Do you think the treasure is near? Maybe. The next mark should be here somewhere. Nora, is this it? It looks close. Then maybe the treasure is under here, Nora. Wait. This mark is wrong. So it is not here, Nora. No. The map shows another turn after this. This place looks better. Yes, it does. Should we dig here, Nora? Not yet. Something is missing. What is it? What is missing, Nora? The big tree. The map shows a big old tree. Lily, look at the tree. Nora, it looks like the one on the map. The stone is there. The path is there too. So this is the place, Nora? Yes, this is it. Should we start here? Yes, right near the tree. Nora, what if it is really there? Keep digging. We will know soon. Lily, wait. I touched something. Something hard, Nora? Yes. Help me move the dirt. We found it! Lift slowly. It may be old. There is a lock. It is old and rusty. Nora, can we open it?
I do not think so. It is locked.
Nora, the treasure must be inside. Ugh, I think we really found it. Nora, try to open it. I am trying, Lily. The lock is too strong. It is stuck. Nora, maybe we can break it. Break the lock, Lily? Just one hit, Nora. Then we can see the treasure. Lily, be careful. I will be careful.
Lily, wait. Do not break the lock.
Dad? Mom?
Girls, what is going on here?
Mom! Dad! You were here?
Nora, Lily, what are you doing with this box?
And why did you both come here alone?
We found a map behind the old mirror. We thought it was a treasure map. We only wanted to see where it led.
Girls, you should have told us first.
I know.
Girls, old things can break easily, and you could get hurt.
We did not want to do anything bad.
I know, but secrets can become unsafe. We are sorry.
We will tell you next time. Dad, can we open it now? But we do not have the key. David?
This box looks familiar.
Dad, you know this box?
Maybe. I am not sure yet. I may have a key for this box.
Dad, you have the key? How, Dad?
Wait here. I will check my room.
Nora, why would Dad have the key? I do not know. Nora, he is coming back. Lily, He found something. Dad, is that really the key?
I think so.
Let us see if it works.
Please open. Nora, it opened.
Slowly, girls. This box is very old.
Dad, where is the treasure? There are no coins. Nora, these are toys and pictures.
They look very old.
Girls, this is not a treasure box.
Then what is it, Dad?
It is my old time capsule.
Dad, what is a time capsule?
It is a box for special memories, Nora.
People keep things inside and open it years later.
I buried this about 20 years ago.
Dad, so the treasure was your memories?
Yes. These things remind me of my childhood.
Mom, is this photo special?
Very special.
Gold can be lost, but good memories stay with us. I thought treasure meant money. Sometimes family memories are the real treasure.
Mom, Dad, can we make our own time capsule?
Yes,
For our memories.
that is a beautiful idea.
Then let us make one together, girls.
I want to remember today. Then the map should go inside too.
Yes. This map gave us a new memory.
Dad, will someone find this one day?
Maybe. Or maybe we will open it together.
Then we should make a new map too, Lily.
One adventure at a time.
Today became part of our family story.
And our real treasure.